Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Nifty rallied more than 300 points from Wednesday's low. So far, what is the journey of Nifty for the last 5 weeks? From 19,200 went to 20,200, from 20,200 came back to 19,300, from 19,300 today almost 19,700. And remember, from 19,200 to 20,200, the 1,000 point rally in the first 2 weeks of September, the midpoint works out to be 19,700, what we can call it as equilibrium point. And now Nifty just closed around the equilibrium point. So that means market is indecisive. So why? Obviously, you know, today US jobs data that will make or break the markets in US, and then followed by corporate results from TCS, Infosys, HCL Technology and so on. And now the US jobs data has come. So it has come extremely good. But you may remember, I always say, sometimes for markets, good news is a bad news and bad news is a good news. So this good news about economy is a bad news for markets. Why? Now, extremely good jobs market indicates more inflation ahead, and therefore another rate hike fear will be coming into the markets. So, in fact, today afternoon I tweeted, you know, the last 2 days there was a significant rally. So, it is better to cut your long positions, lighten up your positions ahead of US jobs data or non-farm payroll data. And you know, markets can start moving violently, especially on Monday. There may be a gap up or gap down, but now after this data it looks like a gap down only. Right now US futures are down and GIFT Nifty is down by 70-80 points, but who knows, nothing we can say about the market, because in US, as far as I know, the most of the negatives have already been factored in. So therefore, you know, who knows, people say, you know, sell on rumor and buy on a news. So there may be some kind of a short covering also today at the end of the day in US markets. And Friday, especially the last 2 hours, is totally unpredictable in US markets. So if anything happens, then Monday if you open flat, it will be really good. So anyway, right now that hope is less. And today, HDFC Bank has underperformed. Reliance, yesterday Nifty went up 100 points, today also 100 plus points, you know, but Reliance did not move yesterday also and did not move today also. So it is only the broader market that are doing well, and these two, HDFC Bank and Reliance, together as 25% weightage, has not done well today. But despite that, you know, RBI policy became a non-event. So Bank Nifty went up and then came down, again went up. You know, finally, you know, Nifty has outperformed the Bank Nifty today. So FIIs have sold only for about 90 crores. So there was no huge selling by FIIs. So therefore, there was no resistance. That is why the market moved higher. The domestic institutions have bought for about 800 crore. But all these are immaterial ahead of the non-farm payroll data in US. Markets are in extreme fear in US, and I'll tell you how much is the fear. The India VIX is inching towards number 10. It may go to double digits also, but US VIX is inching towards 20. So US VIX is almost 2 times India VIX. So that is such a divergence. Anyway, we will see, you know, Friday will be an unpredictable market in US. So let us see what is going to happen. And next week, we will focus more on global cues, especially today. And then after that, corporate results. And I think TCS has already announced they are planning for some buyback. So probably that was the reason why the IT stocks were good today also. Yesterday also IT stocks were good and today also good. So let us hope this momentum continues in both IT stocks and banking stocks. So if not markets moving higher, at least let the markets consolidate around this level. So still people are hoping that October series will end in positive. So let us see. Out of the last 10 years, 9 years Nifty gave a positive return in October. So let us see whether that is going to happen this October or not. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.